Hi, dear students, how are you? I hope you're fine. Today we're going to have a new lesson. It's about ratios. Okay, we have here what? If I ask you here a question, on which day did the boarding kennel have a greater ratio of cats to dogs? When I say ratio, so I'm going to have two quantities, so or more than two quantities indeed. So you have here cats and dogs, and I need to know the ratio between them on two different days. So the first day we have for Friday, it's 3 to 15. So the ratio, as I told you before, it's written like this: 3 over 15 as a fraction, 3 to 15 here as you see, or I can say 3 to 15. So when I say 3 to 15 here, okay, 3 over 15, I leave it like that, or I simplify means divided by the same number, divided by 3, divided by 3 gives you 1 over 5, which gives you 0.2. This is for Friday. What about Saturday here? Saturday, guys, what to what the ratio between cats here? Remember, what I do here, I do down in the denominator. I do for the numerator, I started with cats, so I'm going to start here with the same cats. So we have here 10 over 25. Leave it like this. No, we have to simplify. Divided by what? Divided by what? So divided by 5, divided by 5 gives you 2, and here gives you 5. 2 over 5 gives you, when we simplify, 0.4. And he asks me here, on which day did the boarding kennel have the greater ratio? What do you think? This is 0.4 and this is 0.2. So I think on Saturdays, right? And very easy one. Here he gives me another kind of questions. Let's solve some with each other now. Match the statement with its ratio. We have here this column and this one. And shaded, he asks me shaded squares to unshaded squares. So let's count together. Shaded squares 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Can you see them? 8, right. To what? To unshaded. So the rest are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's 8 to 12. So the first one, can you see it? One with B, and so on. And if he asks me about the unshaded which are 12 to the total, so the total 12 plus 8 gives me 20. It's easy as a piece of cake. Okay, let's complete here. The table shows the number of wins and losses for two Little League baseball teams during a season. Use the table to write the specified ratio. Okay, I have here, as you see, this table, okay, gives me here wins and losses, Dynamos and Titans. Okay, I think they are games here. Dynamos wins to Titans wins. Dynamos are 13 to what Titans wins are 19. So I've got here 13 to 19, right? What about Titans wins to Titans loses? Let's see. So we've got here Titans wins. Where is Titans wins? Here, this one, 19. 2, yeah, Titans loses. They loses here, Titans 11. So it will be 19 to 11. I can write it by this, or I can write it by this. They are all right. Okay, and here are some answers for your practice book. Okay, now we're going to have a new lesson. It's called rates. Rates, guys, very easy lesson. Okay, when I ask you here a question, if I have a stationery store sells the same mechanical pencils in packages of two pencils for, let's write together the information given in any word problem, guys. In math, we write it down. Okay, so we have here what? Packages in two pencils for 1 point here 98. Okay, for what? For two pencils. And we have for what? For 1.98. And packages of 10 pencils, we have here another 10 pencils for what? For 8. And this is for 8. And what? To determine which is better by, find the unit price of for each. Okay, guys, I want to explain this in more easier way. If I say here I have, I can buy a package of five pencils for, okay, five pencils for, okay, $8. And I can buy also seven pencils for $8. What do you think which is better here? I will find the rates for each pencil. Okay, I will find here the rate for each pencil. So, what do you think here? Five pencils for $8 or seven pencils for $8? Of course, five pencils for $8 will be better, as the pencil here cost will be in the first one what it will be here cheaper than the second one. So here the stationery store sells the same here pencils, okay, the same kind of pencils. The packages, the first one, the packages two pencils for 1.98. So I want to know the price of each pencil in this deal. We have here, guys, two deals. I need to know the rate. The rate means what? The price of one pencil in each here deal. So 1.98 for two pencils is better, or 8 here, 8 pencils for, okay, for, okay, or 8 pencils for each, for this deal will be 10. So find the rate first. 1.98 divided 2 to get the price of each pencil. So this is 0.99. What about the second one? We have here 10 pencils here, 10 pencils for the package of 10 pencils costs 8. 8 divided 10 pencils to know the price of each here pencil. It will cost here 0.80. What do you think? Which is cheaper, 0.80 or 0.99? Of course, 0.80. Thanks. So the second deal is better. Okay, here match the rate. Okay, this is your practice book, my dear students. When we solve one or two exercises, you have to solve the rest of the exercises, and the final answer is here also mentioned in the worksheet. Please answer in steps and send me in Google Classroom, don't forget, or on the SCL. So we have here match the rate with the equivalent unit rate. We have here 42. Remember, unit rate means what? Unit rate means that I've got here example number 3, 72, okay, 72 minutes over 8 seconds. So unit rate means that denominator must be 1. Unit rate means that the denominator must be 1 down. So divided by what? Divided by what? The same. Divided by 8, divided by 8. So 8 divided by 8 gives me 1 here down in the denominator. What about here? 72 divided 8 gives me 9. So the rate, or the better we say unit rate, will be 9 over 1. So I'm going to choose here 72 over 8 with 9 over 1. Okay, find the unit rate here. When I say unit rate, so I need the down here denominator be 1. 16 over 2, and it's very easy like this. Okay, so I'm going to divide by 2 by the same number to get 1 down. Divide by 2, 8, 16 divided by 2 gives me 8. So 8 over 1. Okay, and so on. Okay, thanks my dear students for listening. If you have any question, please send me on Google Classroom or SCL. Please do the rest of the exercise as homework. Bye bye.